Hello, in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can download OpenStreetMap data from the OpenStreetMap website. OpenStreetMap data includes many types of geographic data, not just streets. It's a free global geospatial dataset created by volunteers in organization. OSM data contains information about many real-world features such as transportation like roads, streets, highways, motorways, footpaths, cycleways, railways, and train lines, etc. It also includes buildings and addresses like building footprints, house number and addresses, and like shops, markets, restaurants, cafes, banks, and ATMs. And along with that, it also contains natural features like rivers, lakes, forests, parks, mountains and hills, coastline and beaches, and along with these land use and infrastructure such as residential areas, industrial zones, parking, etc. So now we are going to download such dataset from the OpenStreetMap while using the OpenStreetMap website. Okay, so let's search OpenStreetMaps, and click enter. Open the first website, OpenStreetMap. All right. First of all, you can see the whole world map here. Now we will be downloading the dataset somewhere in here in Pakistan. Okay, you can see here on the right top corner you can see sign up and login. If you have an account of OpenStreetMap, you can put the credentials here and you can log in, but if you don't have, you can sign up. I will click on the sign up and I will put here the email geosoftpro.rs.gmail.com. I will put the display name and you can put here the password as well. I'll put choose your own password, so I will choose my own. I will sign up. Click on the sign up. So it says we send you a confirmation email. Confirm your account by clicking on the link in the email. So let me open my Gmail inbox, and here, so now here you can see the OpenStreetMap, the email has been received. So I will click on it and now it says before you do anything we need to confirm that this request came from you. So if it did, then please click on the link below. So I will click on this link. Now I will click on the start mapping. I will allow it. Now you have been logged in. So now I can export my data for my area of interest. Now you can see here these names are in the Urdu language. You can also change the layers from here. So like this, I can change it. You can change the layers from here. All right. Now let me export some of the data for all right. I will export the data for the Islamabad for this place. Now let me go to the export here, and now you can also put the coordinate here, but I will click manually select the different area. I will click on it. So here you can see they have provided the rectangle square for it, so I can modify it while clicking on the nodes of it. So let me download data for this area. So here you can see you can export it, but if I increase the my area of interest, let me increase it a bit more, and now let me export it. So it says your request too many nodes, limit is 50,000, either request a smaller area or use planet .osm. So I will reduce my area. It's not allowing me to export such a large area, so I will reduce this area to this much place. Okay, now export it. Now it says it's above the limit this area is. So now let me once again export it. Here the download has been started and the data has been downloaded. So you can see here is the limitation of this OSM website directly, because you cannot download such a large data set for your area of interest. So it's very, I think, not very useful to download such small data set if your area is larger, so you cannot download or export this data for larger area. So don't worry, we have another website. We can also download the data from this website through another website. We will be using another website to download this data set. All right, now let me open this dataset. The OSM data, we cannot open the OSM data directly within the ArcGIS Pro. So we need our global mapper for this, so that we can import this OSM data into global mapper, and then the uh, this data will be exported into shapefile or any other format like KMZ, KML, whatever you can export their data. So you can do it then. Now let me open data file, and I have downloaded this data OSM. This is the OSM data, so I will open it. This is actually my area of interest dataset. Now you can see here we have such beautiful dataset downloaded from the OpenStreetMap. You can see here. All right. Now you can also export this dataset, like go to the file, export LiDAR vector format, and you can select any format that you want to export in that. Okay, so I will export this in shapefile. So I have selected shapefile. Now click OK. So we have areas, lines, and points. So now you can export areas. I will export this into this folder, areas, lines, and point places. Okay, now here you can see we have exported our dataset. Now let me open this dataset within the ArcGIS. Now go to the ArcGIS, add data, go to the desktop and folder. Now here you can see you can add this dataset into ArcGIS Pro. And now you can see here we have loaded this dataset into ArcGIS Pro. But we can also download such dataset from another website. Now let me open another tab and let me search BB BBIKE extract. Okay, BBIKE extracts. And now let me open this first website. Now you can see here the BBIK interface. On the left hand side you can see here the format in which you want to download your data. Like you can see here the OSM XML and lot of other datasets, shapefile, and you can see here GeoJSON and all. Okay, so in different formats you can download your data from here. I will select the Esri shapefile. Okay, now I will put here my area name and the email for that will send an email. So I will click on that link and will download the data set. Okay, so now click here to place your, or you can also zoom out. I will zoom out so that I could relocate my area of interest. You can also put coordinates as well as you can manually go to your area of interest. Okay, so this is actually my area of interest. Now let me click here. So here you can see resize or drag polygon, or you can add points to polygon. You can also add points to polygon, but and click on this pencil. Okay, like this you can. Okay, now let me resize it from here. So click on it. We have downloaded very small data set from the OpenStreetMap, like this much. You can see here this much data set. Now we will download for such a large area. Now let me download it for such a large area. You can see here. Now let me reduce it so the 40 MB. Okay, now let me extract it. So it says it takes between 2 to 7 minutes to extract an area from the planet OSM. So it's actually extract this data from the OpenStreetMap website, or actually. So we will wait for it, and let me wait for the email. Okay, now here you can see the email has been received. So I will click on this link. Now here you can see the data is downloading from this website. Okay, the data has been downloaded successfully. Now let me extract this data set. Now here you can see this data set. This is shape files. Okay, now let me open these shape file in the ArcGIS Pro. Now let me uncheck this data set, the first data set. Okay, and now let me add. Now let me refresh it. BBIKE data, planet OSM data, shape file, and now let me add all this data set. Now here you can see a lot of data set from a very large area of interest has been downloaded, and you can see here. So now let me zoom in here in this area. Okay, now here you can see the points, places. These are the buildings. Okay, this is the land use area, naturals. Okay, now let me open the attribute table of this dataset. Here you can see the names. These are the railway station, places, Pakistan State Oil, and you can see here these places. And now let me on the attribute of this. Here the name of the cities, village, cities and all. Okay, you can also check all these waterways and land use, natural buildings and all that. All right, so this is how you can download the area, the data from OSM website for your area of interest.